Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove liked posts on LinkedIn. This is a useful skill if you've accidentally liked something, want to clean up your activity history, or simply changed your mind about a post you've previously engaged with. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the account where you want to remove those liked posts. This step is essential as it gives you access to all your profile settings and activity history. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn feed. Now direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see your profile picture and some basic information about your account. Click on your profile. This action will take you directly to your personal LinkedIn profile page where all your posts, connections, and activity are displayed. Now that you're on your profile page, it's time to locate your activity. Scroll down the page until you find the activity section. This section shows a summary of your recent LinkedIn interactions, including posts you've made, comments you've left, and reactions you've given. Look for the option that says Show All and click on it. This will expand your activity to show everything you've done on the platform, giving you full access to manage your interactions. Once the full activity view loads, you'll see several tabs at the top of this section. Click on the one labeled Reactions. This tab specifically filters your activity to show only the posts you've liked or reacted to on LinkedIn. It's a handy feature that makes finding and managing your liked content much easier than scrolling through your entire activity history. Now comes the part where you locate the specific post you want to unlike. Browse through the list of reactions until you find the post that you want to remove the like reaction from. Take your time here, especially if you've been active on LinkedIn for a while, as the list might be quite long depending on how much content you typically engage with. Once you've found the post in question, the process is incredibly simple. Click the like button again to unlike it. The moment you click it, the like will be removed immediately and the post will disappear from your reactions list. This action is instant, so you'll see the change happen right away. And that's it. You've successfully removed a liked post from your LinkedIn activity. This gives you better control over your professional presence and ensures your activity section reflects only the content you truly want to be associated with. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.